Hello guys, today we are going to see how we can add a custom column with different values in Power BI. We have data in Power BI. We want to add a custom column, a new column that has different values. So this is the data, right? So it has the 6 regions, then it has the year, this is the revenue. So we'll go to transform data, right? So this is the data we are trying to transform. So first off, we want to make the regions the header, because here we have a header column 1, column 2, column 3, but no, we want to replace this with the regions and the year, right? So we could just do that here by say use first row as header, right? So now we have it. We have the regions, we have the year, the revenue for each year. We can add a custom column by using the index column, right? So we go to add column, then we go to index column. We can decide to start from 0 or 1. So let's say we start from 1, right? So we've added an index column from 1 to 6, which represents the 6 continents, right? Then we'll go back to the tab. From the add column tab, we'll get a custom column. We can click on custom column, input the name of the new column. We want to get the revenue for 2024. So here we need to input the formula for the custom column. We'll go bracket if, we write an if statement, right? If index column equals 1, if this index column equals 1, that's North America, then the revenue for North America in 2024 is 10 million. So here we just input the revenue from the data we have. We are inputting it manually. We input the revenue for index 1, 10 million, right? So this is an if statement. If index, this is our index equals 1, which is North America, then the new column should have this value. This is the revenue for North America in 2024. So we are going to write similar statement for the rest of the regions, right? So we write else if index, right, equals 2, then index equals 2 is for Europe, right? Europe is in index 2. So we input the 2024 revenue for Europe. Let's say for Europe, the 2024 revenue is 25 million. Right? So we're just going to repeat this else if statement for the rest of the region, right? So this is what our formula for the new custom column is going to look like. If the index equals 1, that's North America, then we'll put the value for North America, 2024 revenue for North America here. If index is equals 2, that's for Europe, then we'll put the value for the revenue 2024 for Europe here. So this is what we do for the rest of the regions. Then we get to the last one. When we've done for North America down to Australia, then we just use else for the last statement, no longer else if. Else, we now input the value for South America, 75 million. When we are done with this, we'll click OK. So we see our new column here, revenue for each of the regions in 2024. We get the new column here. Then if you want, you could as well just remove this. If you want to, could remove this, so you have this left. All right, so this is how we input the new columns, right? So yeah, then when we are done with this, we could go back to home, then you click on close and apply. So when it's done applying, it loads. When it has applied the new column, we'll go back here and view the table. It has added the new values in the new column.